What's up, everyone? Thanks for coming back to my channel. My name is Andrew, and today I'm going to talk about Bitcoin, altcoins. Where should you put your money? If you're new here, please consider subscribing and give me the thumbs up and comment on the video. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Really appreciate that. So as we know, the market for Bitcoin recently has taken a little bit of a turn to the downside. We had some FUD on the market from our good pal Elon, right, where he's considering the value of the energy consumption of Bitcoin, which I think everybody knows that Bitcoin is, it uses energy. I wish there were a better source for the energy. It's a lot of Bitcoin is mined in China, right? And I think there's supposed to be a green over there. I don't live in China. I don't know. I guess we're making the assumption that they're using a lot of coal power in China. I'm uncertain as to if that is true or not. I wish it was more green power, but it would be easy to solve, right? I mean, yeah, Bitcoin consumes a lot of power, but if all that power is, solar or wind or whatever, hydro, then hey, it's green energy it's consuming anyway, right? So maybe we'll move into a future like that. And if you ask me, Elon Musk would probably be the perfect person, and Tesla and his companies would probably be the perfect companies to solve that problem, right? By introducing more green energy for the crypto market. So, it wouldn't it wouldn't actually surprise me if in the future we see, Elon Musk coming up with a green energy or green crypto mining of some sort, a green crypto mining company. In the future, I guess we'll see. Unsurprisingly, though, I don't know if everyone has seen this. Elon Musk is working with Doge devs to improve system transactions, and efficiency is potentially promising. He's not saying it's going to happen, but there's the possibility that they'll improve on Doge and then they'll accept Doge for the Teslas. But to be honest, I don't know how many people actually bought Teslas with Bitcoin, or how many people are looking to buy Teslas with their Bitcoin. I think it's probably, the number's really not that high. And it's kind of just the FUD that gets on the market, right? If the China banning Bitcoin FUD didn't kill Bitcoin, I very much doubt that this type of FUD that comes on the market from Elon will. And I don't think that's his intention either. He's not trying to kill the Bitcoin market. He likes Bitcoin. He's holding his Bitcoin. He's just trying to get it to be more energy efficient. I think we have a lot of people on the market that saw that as a really bad thing, but it's if China banning crypto didn't do it in 2017, this is not going to do it. If Mt. Gox didn't kill Bitcoin, if the Mt. Gox fiasco did not kill Bitcoin, which it didn't, this is not going to do it. So I would keep hodl on. I do want to talk about the Doge thing, though, because obviously Elon is a little bit of a Doge fan. It's if you look at the daily chart, it's after that SNL, everyone was anticipating SNL to hit $1, and then it looks like that definitely didn't happen. All the way down to 35 cents is what it hit, and then now we're back up to 55 on the hopes that maybe Elon will use Doge as a payment method, which he could. No way to tell. I would not, definitely not FOMO into Dogecoin at this point. This Dogecoin, it comes from, it's come a really long way. All at 5-6 cents, back in April. You could have bought it at March, even lower, 4 cents. It's really, really come a long way. You can see this chart. It would fractions of a penny, all the way up to 73 cents is just amazing. So if you're holding a Dogecoin bag, awesome, great for you. I would not recommend buying in here one bit. In terms of energy, though, there is one clear winner here, which is ADA, Cardano. If you're not on the Cardano train, Cardano is incredibly energy efficient. is introducing smart contracts very soon with the Alonzo hard fork coming up in August. And this could be a really good winner for the future. It is very low energy. Cardano is super low energy, smart contracts. It could be a great fit. And there was a lot of people speculating that it was going to be the choice for Tesla, which is probably why it really didn't get hurt. And in fact, it even pumped. But this coin, ADA, is on its way to $2. It just hasn't quite broke it yet. It's on its way to $2 and possibly all the way up to, $7 to $10 in the larger scheme of this bull run. So I'd consider the adding ADA. I have a large Cardano holding, so I'm not shilling the coin, and all of this is not financial advice by any means. But Cardano is a great coin, and it could be a winner here, assuming that Dogecoin doesn't work out, which would suck for everyone who's hodling Dogecoin. I did want to touch base real quick on the question of Bitcoin dominance, right? Normally when you see these big sell-offs, you get a bounce. And the question really to me is, okay, what do we do here? Do I invest in, Dogecoin, Cardano, Shiba Inu even? Like, what do? Don't invest in Shiba Inu. That's not, that's a lottery ticket. You put, a couple of bucks you don't mind losing, and that's a lottery ticket. But really, Bitcoin, if you look at the dominance chart, it has been obliterated, absolutely obliterated, all the way down to, 40.73. If the Bitcoin dominance continues to go down, hits that 40 and doesn't see a bounce, we're probably hitting 35. So watch this Bitcoin dominance, because Bitcoin, it's the king crypto, right? It might be overdue for a bounce in which Bitcoin will go up and altcoins will kind of slow down and chill out. So watch the Bitcoin dominance chart. If we're hovering around 40 and we decisively break down below that 40, it could be time to buy Bitcoin, assuming we hit 35, right? So once it breaks down from 30, I would expect to break down to 35, and 35 that would be an all-time low for Bitcoin dominance. So it might be time to pick some up and see Bitcoin rally, which I do think is going to happen. Money tends to cycle through the market. The same thing happened in 2017, right? The dominance super low, and then it cycles back into Bitcoin, right? So we go through all these bigger altcoins, Ethereum, etc. The money cycles down through all the rest of the altcoins, and then it cycles back into Bitcoin. So keep an eye on the dominance. We may hit this 35 again. We might not. We might bounce from here because it's been absolutely crushed. So yeah, keep an eye on the dominance, and it might be time to turn in your altcoins into Bitcoin when you see it go really, really low. At least that's my plan anyway, but not financial advice. Anyway, that's it for today. If you like this video, please feel free to comment, subscribe, and share. Smash up the likes. I really appreciate it. That's it for now. Thanks. Bye.